In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 3D skeleton animations OpenArt. First, open your browser and head to the OpenArt Suite homepage. This is where all the creative tools live, and it'll serve as the starting point for building our animation. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. Everything we'll use is on the main navigation and clearly labeled. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Video. This takes you into the video creation workspace, which is designed for motion, effects, and AI-driven animation. You'll see options that guide you from setup to final output without needing any external software. You'll notice controls for start frame and end frame. These let you trim the portion of a source timeline you want to animate, which is handy if you only need a segment. For this example, leave them as they are so the full range is used. It keeps the workflow straightforward while you learn the basics. Next, choose text with reference. This mode is ideal when you want strong control from a text prompt while guiding the motion or structure with a reference. It balances creativity and consistency, which in empirical basha, which is perfect for anatomical subjects like a skeleton where form matters. Now, select a model. Different models can prioritize motion fidelity, realism, or stylization. Pick the one that emphasizes clean motion and stable body structure. If you're unsure, choose a general purpose model. Consistency is more important than chasing a niche look at this stage. In the description field, type exactly 3D realistic human skeleton, anatomical accuracy, dark studio lighting, black background, ultra-detailed bones, cinematic render. This prompt tells the system what to emphasize: realism, clarity, and a dramatic, distraction-free look. Then choose your sound effect, mode, and output. A subtle sound effect can enhance the final feel without overwhelming the visuals. Mode typically controls how dynamic or literal the animation behaves. For a clear skeletal study, a balanced or standard mode works well. For output, pick the resolution and aspect ratio that match where you'll showcase the video. Wider for screens, square or vertical for social, keeping in mind that higher resolutions take longer to render. When everything looks good, click Generate. The system will process your request and build the animation based on the model, your prompt, and the selected settings. Rendering time can vary, so give it a moment. When it finishes, review the motion and lighting. The skeleton should read clearly against the dark background, with crisp detail on the bones and smooth, believable movement. If you want stronger contrast or a different vibe, you can rerun the process with small prompt tweaks or a different mode, but the steps remain exactly the same.